Hello student, today we will design a DOS game here. In this DOS game, balls are falling from the sky and we will avoid the dog by hitting the ball. If ball will hit the dog, then dog lose their life and after 6 life game will be over. Look at here, the life becomes 0 and game over. Okay, now we will start to design this game. To start, now we'll start. First we click on this plus sign. Delete this panda sprite. First we will decide the background. In this background, the sky, there should be sky, so I will choose this as a background. Select this, click on this OK sign. Fine. Now go back, add a dog sprite. To add the dog sprite, click on this plus sign. Then go to animal section. Choose this dog sprite. You can choose any sprite here. I will choose dog here. In this dog sprite, we have 3 custom. I have required only 2 custom, so I will delete 1 custom, this. Select this and then delete it. Okay. In this program, I will use only these 2 custom. Now we will start coding. First we click on event section. When click, then go to motion section. Decide the initial position of dog. Let us consider this is the initial position of dog. That means when you will start the game, dog have their initial position at that point. And also we want to reduce the size of the dog. Then go for this, go to parameter section and there is a size option. Reduce the size. Let's, if it's 50, it's so small. Change its size 70. It's fine. Okay. Now go back. Go to motion section. Use this command. Go to x-axis and y-axis. Look at there the parameter x-axis and y-axis. If this is the initial position of the dog, now then you have 2 options. Dog can move either right direction or left direction. When you will swipe the finger in right direction, then dog will move toward right direction, and if you will slide their finger in left direction, then dog will move in left direction. For this, you have select, go to control section. You have choose 2 command of if then. First for left and second for right. Then go to extension, use blocks for mobile, click on this add sign. When finger slide, use this command to activate the finger slide left and right. Choose here one for left and one for right. Then again go to mobile block. Choose the command when finger slide up and when finger slide down. Choose here when finger slide left and when finger slide right. You know that this is the x-axis coordinate, this is plus x-axis, this is minus x-axis. That means when you move dog in left direction, that is minus x direction. When you move dog in plus right direction, that means this is plus x-axis direction. For this, go to motion section, use change x by 10 command here. Choose the sign left for minus 10. Minus 10, I have replaced 10 with 5. Minus 5 and there plus 5. Join this, like use forever command. Put this set of command in forever loop. Click on flag, run this out. When we slide our finger in left direction, dog will move left. When we slide right, dog will move right. Okay. The movement of dog is look like I am dragging a picture. Their leg is not look like the original movement. For looking natural movement, we use these two custom and we use swapping of these two custom. For swapping of these two custom, use another command, that is this one, next custom. Use this command, drag this command, put there and there. Then again click on flag. Now look at the movement of dog. Look at here the movement of dog. Here the legs of dog are look like natural movement. This is the natural movement. Okay, fine. Now we will add the ball sprite. To adding ball sprite, click on this plus sign. Go to sport section. Choose any ball here. Then decide the ball size, range. Look at the coordinate of y-axis. Let this is the falling position of ball. Look at here, this is minus 170. Okay, and ball can fall down from here, 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 anywhere. That means this is whole reason of x-axis, ball can fall down. For this, check the coordinate of x-axis. Look at here, minus 228 to plus 228. Okay, this is whole reason of y-axis. Then first command, when click, then go to motion section, set y by 170, then again go to set x-axis command, and x-axis has range from minus 228 to plus 228. For selecting the range, go to operators section, use pick random value and decide their range minus 2 to 8 to plus 2 to 8. Then go to control section, use forever command to falling down the ball, use change y by 10 command. This is the direction of ball fall down. This is minus y axis, that means replace 10 with minus 10. Then run this code. Look at here, the ball will fall down from sky to ground and remain stop here. For continuously falling down the ball, added the code. Look at here, the parameter of y-axis, the ball at that position, the y-axis coordinate is minus 180. Let's, when ball reach to this position, that is minus 175, then it will again start to come back to sky and fall down. And when it reaches to again minus 175 position, then again it start falling from that position to fall down. Okay, for this purpose, use if command, if then command, put the condition here. If y-axis is less than minus 175, go to operator section, use less than command here, and go to motion section, select y-axis, y position, minus 175, 75 here. If the position is that, then ball again start falling down from sky. Then repeat this two command. Create a duplicate, click on this, touch there for a few seconds. Automatically this box will open. Click on duplicates, rearrange, again rearrange, put this code inside this and put this set of loop below, change y by minus 10 command, then again start the game. Now ball will continuously fall down. Ball is continuously falling down. Look at here, ball is continuously falling down. Okay, now we will add a life variable. Go to variable section, make a variable life for all sprite and click on OK. Set initial value is 0. Replace 0 with 6. Set its initial value 6. Now go to control section, use if then command. If ball touch to dog, condition is here. Go to sensor. Here the condition is that if ball touch the dog, then dog will reduce their life by 1. Then go to variable section, change life variable value with -1. And also we will add a sound effect. When ball touch the dog, there should be a sound. Add a sound. Any sound you can choose here. I was choosing this sound. Click OK. Add this sound here. And then when ball touch the dog, then it will again start falling from their position. Then again take a duplicate of these two commands. For this, again touch on this, make a duplicate here, add this duplicate after this. Now if live variable will become equal to 0, then stop all, then game will stop. Go to control section, use if then command. Go to operator section, use equality operator. Go to variable section, use life. If live variable equal to 0, then stop all, you will stop the game. Then go to control section, use stop all command here. Put this after this, put this set of command after that one, then this. Now game will stop. Okay, now we want to change the backdrops here. For this, go to background, select here one more backdrop to show the game over. Click on this, choose any background. I will choose here this one. Click OK. Added this, type here game over. For this, go to text, put here game over. Increase the game size. Save it. Now again go to this command, add here one more command, switching command. Go to look section, use switch backdrop command, choose initial backdrop blue sky, then go to this before stop all, switch the backdrop. Go to look section, use there the command switch backdrop to this one. Now game over. Here the number of balls are very few. To increase the number of balls, click on this plus sign. Again go to sports section, add ball as a sprite, decide their size, same 60. Then again one more ball, add again, go to sports, decide their size 60, click OK. Now copy all the code from first ball to remaining two ball also. For copy other sprite, click on this option, go here, touch the screen few seconds and then paste here. Again touch screen for few seconds and paste here. Okay, then save this game, run this game. Now number of balls will increase. And game over. Look at here the sound effect, choose the sound effect, this one, add this, go to space, notice, add their sound effect also. Again here add the sound effect, click OK, and your game is complete now. Okay class, thank you.